Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will discuss about the chemistry of benzene. Benzene, first of all, we will discuss about its introduction. This is an unstable, highly reactive intermediate, consists of a benzene ring. It is basically a benzene ring with an additional bond. Additional bond is due to sideway overlap of sp2 orbitals on adjacent atom of the ring. It is aromatic compound as it is cyclic planar in geometry. In benzene, triple bond is formed by the overlapping of the two sp2 orbitals which are adjacent to each other in the planar ring. This triple bond is not like ordinary triple bond. One convenient method for the preparation of benzene is the diazotization of anthranylic acid, that is also called 2-aminobenzoic acid. This anthranylic acid is diazotized, then elimination of carbon dioxide and nitrogen gas will occur, and benzene intermediate is formed, and this is trapped in situ. When benzene is generated in the presence of the diene furane, the product is a Diels-Alder adduct. Here you can see this is benzene and it is generated by an elimination reaction. This will react with furane ring and this Diels-Alder adduct is formed. This is another example of formation of benzene. This is bromobenzene. In bromobenzene, the presence of bromine made this hydrogen electron deficient. This electronegative bromine atom made this hydrogen more acidic, and if it will react with strong base like sodamide, so this amidine will abstract proton from this ortho position, this hydrogen, that is ortho to bromine. This will be abstracted because it is acidic. Ammonia gas will eliminate it, and here negative charge will generate. This negative charge will attack on and followed by elimination of bromidine. This benzene aldehyde, or also called dihydrobenzene, is formed, that is an intermediate. This is an example of dehalogenation of bromobenzene. Now, why benzene intermediate is highly unstable? So we will discuss its reason. This is the structure of benzene. In benzene, sp2 orbital lie in the plane of the ring. Here you can see two sp2 orbitals are adjacent to each other. They do not interact with the p orbital of the aromatic system. This aromatic system and the p orbital will not interact with these two orbitals, with these two sp2 orbital. The two sp2 orbitals are in the same plane, but the overlapping is not effective due to improper orientation, and thus they form a very weak bond. This is poor overlapping. These are sp2 adjacent to each other. Thus they form a very weak bond. That's why the benzene intermediate is highly unstable and thus highly reactive. Here we will see the preparation of meta-phenyl methoxybenzene, which will form via benzene intermediate. This is orthomethoxyfluorobenzene. Here, this is overall equation of the reaction. This is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction, and this will done through elimination addition mechanism via benzyne intermediate formation. This is orthomethoxyfluorobenzene. This proton, being acidic in nature, will be abstracted by phenyl lithium. Here we will here phenyl lithium is reacted, in which phenyl reacts as a nucleophile. Abstraction of hydrogen at the ortho position to fluorine by nucleophile. This is nucleophile, and this proton will abstract being acidic, and this proton is ortho to fluorine. So elimination of fluoride ion will occur. As lithium fluoride. This is the benzyne. Basically, this is benzyne intermediate. This is formed when this negative charge will attack here, and fluoride ion will eliminate. Now, phenyl lithium is reacted addition of nucleophile to benzyne. Here, you can here you should carefully see that where will be the reaction occur and what would be the product. The driving force of the reaction is the stable product. So when where will be the negative charge attack addition of nucleophile to benzyne. Here you can see that more stable carbon ion is formed, and you can see that less stable carbon ion. So the product should be more stable. So this negative charge will generate here instead of here, because the inductive effect of methoxy group stabilizes the negative charge at ortho position. This is ortho position. This negative charge is more stabilized due to inductive effect of methoxy group as compared to the negative charge on meta. This will result in the formation of meta product when this will treated with water molecule. So metaphenyl methoxybenzene ring is formed. This is an example in which benzyne intermediate is formed and then final product is obtained. If you have any problem regarding this reaction, you can see in comments. You can ask me in comment box. This product is not formed. This is written by mistake. Here you can see that two product can form, but this will form not this, because this is more stable as compared to this. Okay, hope you will enjoy. Allah Hafiz, fi aman Allah.